different institutions, including an academy, textbook, and other institutions, have arrived over here to raise their concerns, to raise the complaints. And those students and faculty members from different institutions have been demanding from the NTA officials to come forward in this matter and give an answer. And these students and these faculty members are also demanding resignations from the NTA DG as well, Mr. Subodh Kumar. Right now, I'm joined by some of the faculty members from different institutions, and we are going to speak to them. अच्छा, मुझे ये बताएं कि what are your concerns right now? Did you speak to NTA DG right now?
No, we couldn't meet the NTA officials, but we ensure that we at least give them the letter with our demands. These demands are not only from us as an educator, but these are the demands of the students who now want some answers. They want some questions to be answered, that what is the step the NTA will be taking next? Because here the integrity of the organization has been compromised, and this is not we who are saying this. This is the ministry themselves are quoting. So we just want to know that what is the next step and course of actions they will be taking, and that is why we have also written a letter. If you can see over here, we have written the letter in...
If you just show it to me, what are the top two demands in this letter? Because I can just certainly see that this is a letter written by the Unacademy, and it is, and you have got the receiving also from the NTA official as well. I would like to request my VJ to pan and show this the stamp which has been given by the NTA over here, and it's and you have got a receiving. So what they have assured you? Did you speak to the NTA officials?
Actually, हमने ये नोटिस जब दिया है पेपर लेकर, तो उन्होंने मुझे कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दी है. एक उन्होंने रिसेप्शन में बोला है कि एक स्टैम्प लगाकर हम दे रहे हैं, आपकी ये बात पहुंचा देंगे वहां तक, लेकिन ऐसा कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिला कि हमारी अथॉरिटी तक ये बात जाएगी.
With whom did you speak?
This security guards, securities.
With whom? Who was the concerned person who gave you this authority?
Security guards.
Security.
जी, yes.
I have not met any NTA official. They are not ready to meet. Even for that matter, the security guard is...
Did you raise your concern and told them that you want to meet the NTA official, NTA DG as well, or any senior director from the NTA?
Yeah, we have asked them, but they said that these were the lines given by us by the security guard. They said कि उन्होंने कहा है कि कोई भी आए तो उन्हें बोलना कि मैं यहाँ पे नहीं हूँ.
So here you see